Hello guys, for today's video tayo ay gagawa ng sweet pancake. Ayan po guys, kailangan po natin ng sugar. 1 cup sugar. Kailangan din natin guys ng harina or cake flour at saka itlog at yung margarine. Ayan guys, ito po yung ingredients ng hot milk cake. 3 eggs, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 cup butter, 1 and 1/8 cup of cake flour. Lutuin ang pancake. Painitin muna natin yung kawali, yung non-stick kawali. Ayun na. And guys, luto na natin guys. Paka-fluffy yan.